Hello, my friend, how are you? Today we are in Battersea Park in London, and now the spring season is start. In the Battersea Park, you can see the blooming season in UK is now ready. So, guys, if you plan to visit in the Battersea Park, please do comment. I will tell you the exact location. The location, the Battersea Park, where the flower is now blooming and the spring season is start in the end of the March 2026, and I had also completed my master's degree in that month. So, guys, if you are planning to come here, please let me know. I will guide you. And if you need any kinds of information about the YSC University London, please do the DM in my comment section. I will absolutely let you know, guys. For more information, please subscribe my YouTube channels and please support to my YouTube channel. I am the new here, so guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and let's do support to me. Thank you.